Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're holding onto those Citi Strata points and dreaming of jet-setting adventures, you're in the right spot. Today, I'm walking you through the simple process of transferring your points to airline miles, so you can turn rewards into real trips. Let's dive in. First things first, what are Citi Strata points? They're flexible rewards earned from your Citi Strata Premier card, perfect for travel, dining, or everyday purchases. Transferring them to airline miles is a smart move because it often gives you more value. Think free flights with partners like American Airlines or Singapore Airlines. Before we get started, make sure you're eligible. You'll need a Citi Strata card, an active online account, and enough points to meet any minimum transfer requirements. Also, keep in mind that transfer ratios vary. For example, it might be 1-to-1 with some airlines, but always double-check for the best deals. Step 1. Log into your Citi account on their website or app. If you haven't set one up, do that quickly, it's straightforward. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to the Rewards or Thank You Points section. This is where all the magic happens. Step 3. Look for the Transfer Points or Travel with Points option. Click on it to see your airline partners. Step 4. Select the airline you want to transfer to. Citi has partnerships with major airlines, so choose wisely based on where you want to fly. Step 5. Enter the amount of points you'd like to transfer. Be mindful of any fees or bonuses that could affect your total. Sometimes there are promotions that sweeten the deal. Step 6. Review the details, confirm the transfer, and you're done. It usually processes in minutes, and you'll get a confirmation email. A quick tip: always compare transfer values first. Some airlines offer better redemption rates, so you might save more by choosing carefully. And remember, points transfers are typically irreversible, so double-check everything. There you have it. Easy steps to get those points flying. If you try this out, let me know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more money-saving travel tips. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.